Hello everybody. Today I am going to show you how can you make cookies and ice cream and milkshake. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy. Ingredients: 2 cups flour, 2 cups chocolate nibs, butter cup, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 eggs, a small spoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons vanilla, teaspoon salt. How to cook cookies. 1. The oven is heated at a high temperature. 2. Beat the butter and sugar, then put the vanilla, then the eggs, and beat the mixture well. 3. Mix the flour in another bowl, then put the baking soda and salt together, then pour over the egg mixture. 4. Add the chocolate chips and stir well. 5. Divide the dough into small balls, then place it on the oven tray. 6. It is cooked in the oven for 11 minutes. Ingredients: 2 cups of liquid milk, 3 egg yolks, 2 tablespoons of liquid vanilla, an envelope of whipped cream, 2 tablespoons of starch, 1/3 cup of white sugar. How to prepare. We beat the egg yolks in a deep bowl, with vanilla, starch, and white sugar in a good way, until you have a mixture of a thick and homogeneous texture. And put in a milk pot over the fire, and continue to stir over a cool temperature to hold the mixture. We put the mixture inside the strainer and added it in a container, cover it and leave it until it cools well. We whisk the cream with a 1/4 cup of sugar until it thickens well. We add the first ingredients to the cream mixture and stir well. We pour the mixture into a deep bowl and place it in the refrigerator for no less than 6 hours, stirring it from time to time by using a fork. The ingredients: 0.5 packs of ice cream, vanilla, and chocolate. 1 cup of water, cold. 2 bar, Nestle. 3 tablespoons of white coffee. 3 tablespoons of milk. Dry 2 tablespoons of Nutella. Steps: we put the ingredients in a blender and mix them. Then we add ice cream to the last, to keep it cold. Placed in the refrigerator for half an hour, then served cold. Don't forget to do like and subscribe at my channel. Goodbye.